What do we got? Toby, what's in there? What's that?
Hi, Toby.
What is that? What do you got? Should we take it inside?
Let's go inside.
Let's take it inside. Come on.
Can we bring that thing inside? Come on, I'll help you.
Come on.
Yeah, let's get that thing cleaned off for you. Yeah, that's dirty, isn't it? Alright, but there you go, buddy. Oh. You got it.
Good job.
Buddy, you show that whale who's boss.